SpyderCheckr is Datacolor's 48-patch camera calibration tool. It creates color correction presets with its own plugin for your RAW converter. The SpyderCheckr software is compatible with Photoshop Lightroom, Photoshop Camera Raw, and now also with Phocus from Hasselblad. The first step is to shoot the SpyderCheckr in the lighting conditions of your photo shoot. Configure your camera to ensure proper exposure. Next, copy the raw image file to your computer and select it in the Hasselblad Phocus RAW converter. Import using the standard setting and name the file something easy to remember. The Phocus RAW conversion software is a free download at Hasselblad's website. It supports many common file formats, so can be used with most camera brands. This demo will be done on a Mac. A Windows version is also available. To use the SpyderCheckr plugin with Phocus, set the image editor preference to the SpyderCheckr application in the Datacolor folder. Next, we'll white balance with the eyedropper on patch E2. After that, we put two color indicators on the brightest and the darkest patches to see the RGB values for each. Now adjust the exposure slider to a white level of 230. The shadows will be set with the black slider below the histogram to a level of 10. Now crop and rotate the image to contain only the SpyderCheckr. If your crop is a bit outside the 4 dots at the corner of the SpyderCheckr, you can correct that later. Confirm your selection with a click on the tool icon. Export the image in TIFF format and 16-bit color depth with a click on Open in Image Editor to open the resulting file directly in the SpyderCheckr software. The sampling grid will be automatically placed on the target. In this example, it is misaligned due to incorrect cropping. Hover over the edges or corners of the live area and drag to align the sampling grid correctly over the target patches. To create a color correction file, choose one of the 3 intents: colorimetric, saturation, or portrait. Below that setting, you'll find the option to locate the color correction for Lightroom, ACR, or Phocus. Save the color correction combination you need. Restart Phocus to import your newly created preset. Select one of your related images and click the context menu. That opens a list with all your user-created color presets. Choosing your SpyderCheckr created preset will display the individual color adjustments and correct the image accordingly. Using the checkbox on the right side, you can toggle between corrected and uncorrected views. Let's zoom in on another image to see the color changes in assorted colors and skin tones. Using the colorimetric option, we get the most literal colors. The portrait option desaturates reds and oranges in skin tones with literal representation of other colors. The saturation option will evenly increase the color saturation of all colors. By using SpyderCheckr and the other Datacolor Spyder products, photographers and creative professionals can achieve accurate and reliable color throughout their entire digital workflow.